So let's take a deeper dive. And that's the internet if you want to look at it. It's really nice. Web 1.0. How many people here use these things? It's great. Yeah, it's funny seeing how many of these are still around. Web 2.0, lots of great applications there. Also, lots of data lock-in and data rent-seeking and data monopoly stuff going on. There's a really big problem with Web 2.0, which is the advertising model. The advertising business model is one of the trickiest things in the entire system, where it's created a massive economic pressure to just keep people engaged as much as possible and keep people on the pages. And hey, guess what? Things like content that makes you angry causes you to be more engaged. So all these systems are just optimizing for people to get angry. So if you felt angry in the last 5 years, 3 to 5 years, and you use a lot of social media, then maybe that's why.